What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Young Garlic, aka Arlie, aka Young Garlic, coming to you live with another edition of our trading journal. I believe this is day 25. Pretty much the journey challenge type deal we're doing here at Arcane. We're following me as a new trader as I progress and learn and hopefully become successful at day trading. As always, before we get started, please check out our links down below. If you're watching on YouTube, please come follow us on our socials. Our Discord's down below as well, where we live trade, have live analysis daily. It was a really good day to be in chat today because we talked about FOMC as it was going on. So yeah, pretty good stuff today. Up 18% on the account. Nice $50 day for us. So we're at 330 on the account. So up from 80 to 330 in 3 weeks. Kind of slow, but brick by brick, right? We want to get there. Hopefully, have this account to 1,000 soon. That's the plan. But anyways, let's get started. Traded Snap and AMD today. Played AMD off of the FOMC moves. First trade of the day, I took at 937, and I tried to long Snap at 937 and got stopped out. So let's see. It's kind of here. I was thinking we might bounce here, but we didn't, and I stopped out for $7 loss at 939. So it broke down, and then we just weren't coming back. So got out. Entries okay, I guess. This is a really bearish candle. I probably should have paid more attention to this. But I thought we were trying to bounce off this wick and try to treat this as a floor. But I stopped out. So we're chilling. Next trade of the day, I shorted at shorter eye for this at 951 or 941. So I shorted this candle. I believe I bought two. No, I bought one and got out at 947, like $5. So down here. Just want to get some green. Decent entry. Right, we see this, and then we see this nice candle coming in with some bear volume, and I get in, and I get out at 949. I bought and then sold at 947. So after this candle, I sold. Then right after this, I decided to try to flip long and see if I could go long. 949, I bought a call, thinking we might bounce, and then stopped out at 958 over here for $10, $10 loss. So once we lost this floor, I got out, and after that we kept going down. And then I think at 10:23, I took another long here. So I see that we're basing here. This is actually, I was really happy with myself on this entry. The previous two weren't terrible, but I overtraded that, right? I just should have waited. I could have shorted this double top rejection here. Like you see how we're wicking off this level, and we reject under it several times. But that's okay, right? I stopped out. I'm learning to see these things, like, I'm learning to see these levels after the fact, so hopefully I'll be able to start seeing them as we continue. And we also kind of have a little bit of this action going on right here, right, on a 1 minute. Kind of like a rising wedge type deal. So we just break down. But anyways, I longed at 10:23. Really, really good entry. I saw us wicking off the bottom right here. We didn't want to lose this level. I think I went back and saw that this. Yep. So look at this. We projected here, and this is a level we held. So I knew we were gonna. And this is another cluster. Clusters here. So. So yeah, we're holding this level, right? And I long it, and then I got out at 10:48. So up here right at the top. So really nice exit, right? So I see our bear, you see here how our bear volume is really low on this candle. This is fake. Like I saw this and I was like, oh, we're chilling. Like it's less than our bull volume. It's like, it's just, I don't know, they're trying to stop people out, all right? And I have my good entry here, so I was green through all this. But it's when we got up here and I see this bear volume come, then I got out. So that's why I was able to hold, and then we see this bear volume. And we also see this rejection right here. So we test this line, we break down, and then we reject all day. And then we kind of are building up to it. And then boom, it popped. So yeah, but I saw this. I exited this. So that's how I know I'm improving, because I'm seeing these things. And then I stopped trading. I didn't trade again until 12:30, and I traded AMD. Right, so I think I entered a call at 10:30. And I'll show you why. How long did 10:30? 12:30. Yeah, 12:30. Excuse me. I saw this. The entry was a little rushed, just a little. I could have been a little bit more patient, because I entered like here as we're trying to break out. I could have waited just a few more seconds and got a better entry here. But I see us testing this level, and volume is coming in. This pullback was low volume, right? We're kind of making higher lows here. Right, I see that we have base, we have nice bull volume stepping in, bull volume is here, and then on this pullback the bear volume is less than what it was before, it's less than the bull volume earlier, right? So I'm chilling. This was kind of my stop level, was this, where we wicked off here and where we bounced here, but I ended up holding this till 12:57 and exited over here. Alright, I could have held it a little longer, but I went ahead and get my greens. This is a nice $11 gain for us. So the entry was a little rushed, I will admit, but I'm seeing higher lows here. I'm seeing our bear volume kind of small. This downtrend, you see how this downtrend, like these candles are really bullish, and then these are kind of like, and then we bounce, right? So, yeah. I don't know, and then we kind of have like this little rounding bottom type deal, right, where the downtrend's steep, super steep, slows down, and then slows down again. So our downtrend is decreasing, and then we're curling over, right, because the bears are in control. And then as we're going down, they're slowly losing control, slowly losing control, boom, 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 and then we hit an equilibrium right here, right? Because you can see our volume here is decreasing. And then we get here, we level out, and then right here is where the bulls step in. And then that's where we go up from there. And then you see the volume kind of just, it's not decreasing, but it's not increasing. It's just steady uptrend, steady bleed up. So yeah, not bad there. And then I ended up waiting after this until 2 o'clock for FOMC, and I shorted at 2 o'clock. Alright, so I took this short here. I saw that we were struggling with this level, this previous level. As you can see, we're struggling with it super hard, can't really stay above it. And this, I don't know if you're new or whatever, FOMC caused all this volatility. So you see how we're just kind of meh, and then all of a sudden the freaking volume kicks up, right? This is, FOMC brings a lot of volatility to the market. That's kind of why I didn't trade as much in the morning. I wanted to wait for FOMC and see if we could get a good move, and we did. So I bought a put here, and then bought another one up here. Right. So kind of making a higher high, but not really. Right, we're struggling. Bear volume's here, bull volume's kind of low, and then the bears are back. Right, and even on this is kind of an anomaly. Look how big our bull volume is here, and look how small this candle is. Same thing here, and on these two as well. So I know the bears are stepping in. I was able to cut one at right after this, so pretty much on this move down I was able to cut one for $5, move my stop loss to break even, and then rode this all the way down to this bottom. Sold on this candle 1407 at the bottom. Right, and then I ended up taking a long. I ended up trying to, I took another short here, and then sold down here at 1419 because we were struggling. Right, we struggled. Bear volume is here. I took this short and then got out here. Yeah, I mean, a good day at 50 bucks on the account. I think I'm learning. I just don't really know how I feel about this today. I mean, I've waited till FOMC. I had a thesis going in that we were going to be short. And I just see all, like, a volume kicks up, but AMD is stalling. It's stalling. Like, even with all this volume, if it was really going to be bullish, we would have rocketed, but we didn't. So that's why I went short. And then we kind of have this little, shout out to Phantom, a little H pattern rejection. We rejected this line here. Rejected this line, and then or bounce off this line from earlier. Right? This was resistance that became support, and then yeah, I just tried to short again here. We bounced really hard, so I got out for $4 gain. So I think it was a good day. I mean, trading, I'm getting better for sure. I'm starting to see the market in terms of price action, and our support resistance levels and supply demand and all that stuff. But I don't think I could do this every day. So I don't like that. Like, I don't think I broke any rules. Every position I took, I had a risk. I had my risks like it set up right. The only reason I averaged down here is because these are bull anomalies, so I'm using VPA. But I don't like super volatile moves like this. Like, it's hard to trade unless you know what you're doing and you can think on the fly. What did I do? Oh, I hit space. I was trying to draw a line. But yeah, I don't know. It was not a bad day. The only reason I'm not super ecstatic is because I want to be able to do this. We are profitable, yes, but I don't think I could trade this consistently. And I don't know if that's because we were super choppy all day and then we went to volatility. But I mean, I was ready for it. I made money off of it, you know what I mean? But it just, I'm not comfortable with where I am yet, and I want to get better. So, but that's all I have for you guys. Up 50 bucks, 15% day on the account. So just gonna keep trying to be green the rest of the week, you know what I mean? Keeping risk down. Risk is down, and then when I hit my plays, I'm getting better at letting them run. But I'm also getting better at just getting out and taking profit. So I'm learning little by little. We'll get there. But that's all I have for you guys this video. Our links are down below. Please come and check those out. Check us out on Discord. We have live trading, live analysis every single day. And then we have a paid side and free side. Paid side gets a little bit more in-depth trade ideas and trade setups, but free side still gets a lot of stuff too. And if we're feeling generous, we like to give our free side some peeks into the member side with different setups and stuff like that. So, but yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for just being a part of this journey with me and helping me, and just encouraging me. I know everyone in chat, you know, when I have a bad day, they always come in and tell me, you know, I'm doing fine and all that good stuff. So, but yeah, shameless plug time as always. My Webull is down below. If you want to swap brokers or start day trading, please use my link when you sign up. It is commission free to trade on Webull, and we'll both have a chance to get some nice big juicy stocks, whether it's Amazon, Tesla, Apple, all that good stuff. But you guys have a great rest of your evening. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.